Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we will be looking at how unsupervised learning work. I hope you guys remember from my last video that where we explained there are two different sorts of machine learning. One is supervised learning, the other one is unsupervised learning. So unlike supervised learning, uh, unsupervised learning, you don't have to give input. You don't have to give X input to it, and you don't have to get the Y label out of it. So it's completely different. So if you look over here, what I've written, the algorithm is trained on unlabeled data and must find patterns and relationships in the data by itself. Without specific instructions. So what I mean over here, as I said, you don't actually train it in such a way that when you don't give a particular X input and you get a Y label out of it. So it's completely different. So if you look at what we explained to you before, so if you see where we used to give a bunch of where we have given them algorithm a bunch of audios, and it has learned of how to convert the audio into a text transcript. So it's not like, so over here you don't train it like that particular way. So it is also known as clustering algorithm. So unlike supervised learning data, you don't give X input and you don't get a Y label out of it. Algorithm has to find the structure by itself. So for example, let's see over here. For example, a company who would like to send emails to a particular group depending upon their own need. So if you see this particular group I have got over here, there's someone who would like to grow their skills and knowledge, and there is another one who would just like to stay updated with the AI, and the other one who would just like to develop their career. So for example, if you think in a point of view from a company, they wouldn't like to send emails. They would send to someone who would like to develop their career, to someone would like to stay updated with AI. So we wouldn't like to mingle it around. So this sort of algorithm helps us to cluster the customers which we have on that database according to particular groups. So that's the full functionality of unsupervised learning. I hope you guys understood it. Thank you.